My name is Dr. Afifa binti Muhammad Ali from Kuliah of Engineering. So today I'm going to show you on how to use the ITALEEM C for student. So in order to log into the ITALEEM C, you have to click on the italeemc.iium.edu.my. You'll be brought to this website and then you can click on login. Please put your metric number and also your password inside here and then click on login. And you will see the dashboard view like this one. So let's see some part of the dashboard. So on the left side, it is the navigation tab. And if you want to minimize, you can just click on this icon. And then you will see the recent assessed courses. And you can see also all the courses that you take in this semester here. And apart from that, you can also add tasks to inside here. If you, let's say, you want to finish the assignment, you can add the task on this part. On the right side, you will see the quick view for all the tasks given to you. For example, the assignments here and the quiz and everything. You can sort it according to your by the dates or by courses. Apart from that, you can also edit your profile. So click on this and go to profile. So you will see this page. So you can edit profile or change your preference inside here. So for edit profile, you will see this page and you can change your email address, email display, city, country, and also time zone. And for the email address, it is advisable if you can use an active email so that it will be easier for your lecturer to contact you. Apart from that, you can also add optionals, other settings. And I would recommend for you to add your phone number inside here so that your lecturer will be able to contact you. So then update profile. Now, let's see some of the subject that you are taking in this semester. For example, you can go to this, My Course. So you will be able to see all the courses that you are taking. For example, here we see the menu 1201 engine drawing. In here, you will see all the items that set by your lecturer. For example, there are announcements. This one is assignment, attendance, quiz, and there are also additional info and also lecture note provided by the lecturer. So let's see one by one. For announcement, once you click, you will see several announcements given by the lecturer. For example, this one, there's only one. So click on this part and you will see and you will be able to read your announcement by the lecturer. And then you can also go back to the subject. Next, for the assignment, you can click on the assignment here. So for example, this one, the lecturer has given the assignment to prepare some equipment. So, and she wants you to put some submission here. So what you have to do, edit submission. Then you can put some online text here. I'm done with the assignment and ready for the class. So if you have to upload something, you can choose the file here. Once done, upload this file. So save changes. And you can submit the assignment. Okay, so for confirmation, continue. Okay, then you're done with the submission of the assignment. Now let us go to the attendance. If you are assigned to submit the attendance, you will see the section here. So click on submit attendance and click on present and save the changes. Then your attendance will be recorded. Next, if you want to answer the quiz, click on the quiz. So attempt quiz now, and after you already read everything, so start the attempt. So let's say this is the first question. Next page. And then so you will be able to see the time remaining for you here and how many questions inside here. Let's say this one you already answered. So and then you are on the second question. So finish attempt. And if you need to return to the attempt, you can just go to return to attempt. And you will go back to the page for the question. So if you are done with that, you can submit all and finish. And then confirmation. And then it is done. Okay, so as for this one, it is set for you to see the correct answer. If not, the lecturer might reveal the correct answer after review. Okay, so another tips that you can use in here is you can use the focus mode. And for this one, once you click on this one, you will be able to hide the navigation board, and you can focus on your quiz or assignment inside here. So if you're done, you can just click on the focus mode again, and you will see the task navigation task again. Okay. Now, here you can also see some info and also lecture note given by your lecturer. So here, once you click on the part here, you will be able to save the files attached inside the folder in your computer. Okay, save. Then you can go on with the lecture note. Okay. In case you need to contact your lecturer, so what you have to do is just click on this your lecturer's picture here. There are two ways for you to contact her or him. First one is through message. So from this one, you will be able to directly contact your lecturer by let's say Assalamualaikum. Okay, so this message will be sent to your lecturer. So your lecturer will be able to communicate with you through this message. Another method is if you go to the part previously, you will see the email here. So you can copy the email and email your lecturer directly. So that's two ways on how you can contact your lecturer. That's the end of our tutorial today. So if you have any question or any problem, you can contact us at efacimenu@iium.edu.my. Thank you for listening to this tutorial. I hope it helped you to go through the ITALEEM C. Thank you. Assalamualaikum.